blows. V6. At Walmart, got to get a big bucket of chicken for today's video. Finally left that disgusting Walmart. We got the American flag right there, and something about the front end of this truck makes it look a lot better. One nation under God. Silverado right here. I've never actually seen this place so filthy, but yeah, let's head on out while we still got some sunlight left. Yeah, it's always fucking no. Yeah, I figured I'd see it wasn't gonna be there long, so taking up 4 spots is what lifted trucks do. Man, it really sucks that gas is $2.62, but I mean, one day we're all gonna be like, yeah, I remember when gas was $2.62, but now it's $15.55. Oh yeah, Cummins behind us. Look at that view, guys. Oh no, we're being followed by the Cummins. So let's get down to business here, guys. The other day, I drove down to Maryland to go on a hike. But after that hike, I decided to skip dinner and go to Criswell Chevrolet to check out the amazing Corvettes that they had. Little did I know that they would have an extreme amount of lifted trucks as well, all lined up with the line of Corvettes that they had in the front as well. And that is where I saw the famous Carbon 65 Corvette, celebrating 65 years of the Corvette. So as soon as I saw those lifted trucks, I was like, wow, this is amazing. And then I immediately looked for the highest lifted one they had, and that of course was a Chevy Duramax. This is a Chevy dealership we're talking about here. Maybe if they did get some used trade-ins, they'd put them there. Oh, they probably have a different lot for that. What am I saying? So anyways, I looked at the Chevy Duramaxes. They were blacked out, color matched in the front. A lot of people like a blacked out truck. Not many people minded. Wow, that is ridiculously high. And then I looked at this Duramax next to it. I was like, why is this one sitting lower? One's on 35s, the other ones were on 37s. They were selling them straight out of a new Chevy dealership. This isn't some small shop or some small dealer selling lifted trucks and stuff. This is a Chevy dealer, so they definitely have to back it up. Keystone Styling is the one who designed them. They used to do that at the dealer near my house. I guess they stopped selling them there. Maybe they weren't selling. I guess Criswell, being more in the south, probably make more lifted truck sales. So I'm just taking a browse around the truck, not getting into the details. I know they haven't posted on the window. Didn't look at them yet. I was too amazed by what I was seeing, honestly, guys. And I looked at the side and it said Outlaw. And then I immediately thought how Outlaw is actually looking for a diesel truck right now. Yes, Outlaw, I'm talking to you right now if you're watching this video. Right, Outlaw, this is the Outlaw truck. It's got the Outlaw package. It's got 37s, 20-inch rims, 6-inch lift, and then it's got all of these nice mods as well. And it's 77 bucks. 37-inch tires. It's a Duramax. It's blacked out. Got the lights on top. Huge, and it's a diesel. Buy this diesel truck. Hit me up if you come out all this way. It is a lifted Duramax. It's on 37s, 20-inch rims. It's got the fender flares, 6-inch Fabtech lift, Trail Grappler mud terrain tires, spray and bed liner, of course. 2018, brand new, newest you can get. Amazing. This truck was so cool, and it sat so high. It also had the NFAB bed liner type foot rails, which whenever you get to a height like that, I mean, they're kind of necessary. You could get the ones that drop down. That's what I would go for, but I mean, if they're already there, why not just take them, sell them later, upgrade when you want to. But that truck is literally amazing. The 6.6 Duramax engine, L5P with the hood scoop, looks so good, and of course it's complemented with the Allison transmission that lasts forever. That was an amazing truck to see. I was honestly amazed. Standing in front of it, it makes you feel short. Top of the hood was just about over my head. If you're sitting in the windshield, you wouldn't be able to see someone walking right in front of it. That's a problem that I had before of short people walking in front of my truck. So you could only imagine a truck like that with a 6-inch lift, 2-inch taller frame, 37-inch tires. Can't get much better than that. With an amazing truck such as that one, comes with a crazy price tag of $80,000. Can't believe I saw that. It completely woke me up after that night, and I was like, wow, this is the dream right here. Maybe not necessarily a black, not really sure yet, never really thought about it, but that was an incredible truck. Outlaw, definitely buy that truck. I know you're looking for a diesel. Just come on, man. You can get a drop hitch for it. You can tow with it. Don't worry about it. That was crazy, and a Corvette is definitely a car that I want to get one day. On a little side note here, I just washed the truck, and honestly, it's getting a lot of attention today, probably because of how reflective it is. Any light that just shines, it just reflects off of this. It's like, wow, look at that truck. It's amazing, nice and shiny, new. It's been a long way, guys. It's been a long way with this truck. People never understand. You can buy them lifted at a dealer now, but when it comes to doing this from stock, a lot of work and time and blood, sweat, and tears is put into it. So that's basically it, guys. Call it to Outlaw, so let me know. Definitely send me a private message. Got Instagram, all that, Snapchat. Snapchat probably being the easiest way to reach me. Definitely add me on there, Outlaw, if you're watching this video. Wherever you're at in Colorado, I would drive all the way out there. No problem at all. I'll fly out there. Got a break coming up soon, so definitely check in. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe so I can see you next video. Until next time, take it easy.